OB, I don't even know what I'm gonna title this video.
But I literally just sparked it. Didn't even expect this to be a video, but YouTube. What's good, man? This your boy Ari Trades back on the YouTube channel after a long ass time. But this is me just showing you my thought process on pre-market open, and yeah, just giving y'all the look of what I do for real. See, now this is like the old school way of trading. This is like 2021, 2022 trading. You think you know, you draw the order block right there, and fair game. It very much could come back and go up, but why? Like, what's the overall picture here? What's the overall picture here, right? We can see potential wick fill, right? And then the push up, or we can just get immediate push up, take out of here, and then come back down. So look, these are our three options here. Number 2 for set, you're free. Watching HD. This is if you're on the buys, right? Teach me, baby. Call my phone and say you need me, baby. So it could either go boom, 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 boom. Alright? Against your will, how many of you niggas you got on your will? Damn. Before drop. I'm gonna cover that up with a quilt. I'm gonna cover that up with a quilt. I'm like, what? Alright. Buys. So, these hoes not hot popping for real. Yeah. Alright, enough. Alright. Feeling balance before the drop. Down, up, down, boom. You see, very simple. Second one. Now, this is if you're lucky and you're doing your YouTube strategy search, and then you get your order block right here, right? So let's go ahead and just move this over. We'll make that diagram. We'll make this example one. This shit is amazing teaching. Like, what are we talking about? Alright. So then, boom. You go down to the fair value gap. Hold on. Let's go to the 5 minute. Hold on. Oh, it done. What the fuck? What the fuck? Alright, y'all. So boom. You got lower lows printing. Then you had your change of character after that move all the way over here. I don't know why I need to show you that shit, but my brain's not gonna allow me to not show you. So we had lows here, higher low, till we got our reversal back up here to make all that correction. Then we had that gap. So ever since the 14th, shit's been moving sideways, dropped down, came up, made a lower high, made lower lows, stacked the lows, by the way, liquidity, grabbed that. Once it grabbed, came back up here, made equal highs up here to not break this high. So now we're still, so this is the full picture here, right? This was showing, okay, we can potentially keep going up, right? And then we didn't. So now we're here at this point. After getting these sweeps off of the liquidity, we could have pushed up. Why couldn't we grab these highs up here? Why? Because it's not time to. So, boom, we have 1, 2, 3 taps, just like we mentioned earlier. So 3 taps, comes down. Now we're at the lowest point that we've been since I last scrolled. Now that you've scrolled, all right. Now this is why you're essentially going against the trade if you're going in for buys right now, right? But if you're not paying attention and you just want to get into a trade, this is what you'd draw up. You'd have an OB with a fair value gap, and then you would be looking for some type of consolidation, come down here and tap into either the fair value gap right here, or come all the way down to the OB, come back up, and at least grab these highs, right? And that's just shooting for like bare minimum. I don't even know where that would really be at. I usually take about 100. Oh yeah, see, this shit is crazy. You know, I wouldn't take this trade, but that's on y'all. I'm just giving you the look of what it could be. But that's if you're still trading like this. I mean, that's, yeah. Now, if you're still trading like this, you kind of low-key, not kind of low-key, you really, you need to tap in with the free course. So, because this feels like back in 2021, 2022 learning. Like, you go on YouTube, you see the OB, you see the fair value gap. Oh yeah, let me wait till it comes down here and take it up. Like, brother, you're going against the trend right now. Why are you even looking for buys right now? So those are your 2 examples if you're going for buys. OB, fill. I like my own verbiage too. So if, yeah, I'll be mixing and matching. So boom, that's if you are going for buys when the market is selling. But now we're going to be looking at the market from the sales standpoint that it should be looking at, that we should be looking at it from. So took out lows, right? Money puts it back in the same. None of my money, I'm wrecking my burn. It's B's on the table, B's on the table, B's on the table. Alright, to be honest, I think we at least come to at least B's on the table, B's on the table. Yeah, like that 24, that 28.4 or 2800. I don't see why not. It's B's on the table. Cause you'll be coming into a daily fair value gap, right? You got the wick fill on the hold on. B's on the table, B's on the table, B's on the table, B's on the table. Spitting mouse in the corner, just me in my bag. I'm used to this, I'm numb to that. I know I just gotta adapt. Hey, that's what on them Spotify raps. Should have up at the double tap. Alright. What did I put on the table? Paper. Damn, the Chateau Michelin. The books of the cushion. They say push the predicaments. Alright, so boom, I have to like low-key look at the markets here. Okay, so we have our for sure OB here. Like, that's a for sure good OB I'd look at here. I'd mark that up, alright? And I only use things to mark up. I don't use it to take a trade off of, or it's just confirmations to know that we're going in the same direction as my bias, or whatever bias I'm with in the market. Yeah. How long are we going? 16 minutes? Alright, we're gonna try to wrap this up in like 5 more minutes. OB, I don't even know what I'm gonna title this video. But I literally just sparked it. Didn't even expect this to be a video, but YouTube. What's good, man? This is your boy Ari. Trades back on the YouTube channel after a long ass time. But this is me just showing you my thought process on pre-market open. And yeah, just giving y'all the look of what I do for real. Only words I know that you until I lay the only words I know that you. This shit might be copyrighted though. Hold on. Champagne poetry. These are the effortless flow supposed to be something else controlling me. Some of the greatest quotes. And above me, I see nobody. I have to be dead for them to say that you took it from me. Nigga, I'm wild with your word, you took it from me. Show it to me. Nothing with no one I love. Cause we growing too much. I need you, I need you, I need you. I need to make you see what you mean to me. Until I do, I'm hoping you know what I mean. That's not the markets. I love you, I love you, I love you. All the time, Citizen 5 people I ain't been on. Living, I see it with the child. I'm calling that shit from now. Just hanging down. That shit is running me up. Alright. Yeah, alright. So boom. Now if you're looking at the markets, if you're looking for buys, right? You're basically looking for the fill imbalance. Goodness gracious. Fill the imbalance more off of this push right here, this candle. Kind of shows us that the momentum is in an uptrend. It's bullish. So we'll push up more into the imbalance before we drop off, or we could come up here, maybe take out New York daily highs on a Sunday. Could happen. It could happen. Could happen. You know, more before it could feel the imbalance of all of this here, like from here to here, from here to here, we have that imbalance, right? So it could take out New York daily highs on Sunday. So I'd probably take it up to here, right? And yeah, sounds about right. That actually sounds about right. I kind of like that. If I was going for buys, if there's buy opportunities, yeah, take out New York daily highs, and then I'm out of there. I'm getting out the market. But that's your option one if you're looking for buys. Then you have your OB order fill. That's if you're looking more into it. Right here, fair value gap, blah, blah, blah. We already do that up. But now, if we are looking for sells, right? We had break up here, break. We have a little imbalance here. Just ever so slightly. Right there. Got a little balance right here. Alright. So if you come down, let's look at this. So you had last highs here, minus swing high, right? Yeah, this honestly could come up here, but you would have to wait. Like, either way it goes, if you're looking for sales at this point, which is me. Hold on, let me pause this. This is crazy. All right. So if I'm actually sitting here looking for sales, it would be a lot of sitting on my hands and waiting, because this setup right here is not giving me no indication on entry, like at this point. Like there's no, like, yeah, it's clear as day. Like there's nothing here for me to be like, oh yeah, this is clearly something that I like to see. Boom. So right now, I would honestly, here, I'll go back here. Go here. Let's go back to our example board. Alright. Why y'all acting like I can't? Hold on. What are we talking about? Alright. So that's if you're on the buy side, right? Now you're on the sell side. So boom. Now if you're on the sell side right now, in the market, just wait. There's nothing here right now. So just wait. Simple. If you're gonna wait, then you could potentially look for buys during open market. New York session, London, Asian. Find it. There's always opportunity in the market. We as a trader just have to find it. There is no, like, bro, it's so freaking crazy how we complicate this game, and there's nothing to complicate really. It's more so complicated up here. Like all this is so like out of our hands. Like just wait. Like me personally, I like to trade from 6 in the morning to like 10. You feel me? I don't like to be on the charts no longer than 4 hours, for real. So, and that's pre-market. That's reading news. That's looking at the trade or waiting for a trade. Entering a trade, exiting, reevaluating, journaling, like the whole 9. I need that in like 4 hours time that I'm trying to give myself, right? So with that being said, I'm not trying to sit at the charts all day long. So if I'm waiting for sales, if sales is what is on my mind right now, and we're not going to be heavily towards sales, right? Because at the end of the day, on the daily, even though we're not trading the daily, yes, it's an uptrend. But when is the NASDAQ ever gonna be in a daily downtrend? Like, you feel me? Like just consist. Like we're just for years. Like, come on, that's not happening. So we don't need to worry about that. So yes, there's gonna be strong pullbacks, but eventually, at the end of the day, we could be looking for buys too. So even though I was gassing the OB, it could be potential. It could come down, hit that order block, and go back up, right? And then if it doesn't, then you're sitting here like, yeah, duh, of course, this was here. Yes. And that's why it's always potential in the market, but you have to have that eye to see if it's right now, if it's later. Feel me? If the execution is right, if the execution was wrong, if I executed too early, too late. There's so many things. So that's gonna wrap it up. I'm already at 26 minutes just yapping. I hope y'all really did get value out of this. Like, just be patient. Always journal. Just be patient, bro. Just be very patient. This game is very crazy, like, mentally. Like, go through the journey alone. This shit hard. It's not meant to be easy. Like, bro, you can make potentially hundreds and thousands of dollars sitting in your chair, bro. Sitting in the chair with a bonnet on your head. You can make thousands of dollars doing this shit. Like, this shit not meant to be easy, bro. But if you got the potential to lock in and have that mental fortitude, you know what I'm trying to say, to really be disciplined and get to this, like, you're gonna do whatever it takes to be good and be great. So forget good, but be great at this. So yeah, what I learned is a lot of patience. A lot of patience. Execute when it's there. When it's there, you know it's there because you've seen it every single day. You're looking at the market every single day. There ain't nothing for me to rush. If I don't, bro, the last 8 days, it was 5 days that there was no trading for me. Out of the last 8 trading days, 5 of them were no good. 3 of them were good. So it's like, you gotta take what's, come on, man. And I'll really only take like 2 trades a day. But yeah, alright, I'm still yapping, man. Alright, 2. Catch me later. I'm out of here. I might just upload this completely raw, honestly. I don't even care. I might look back at it. If I get bored, then I'll do a little editing. But yeah, I'm out. Catch y'all. This is the pre-market work. What you need to do a way more deeper dive than me. Like, this is me trying to be a little entertaining, funny, and all that too as well. But be dead ass. Be serious. Be locked in. 2026, 2027. We got to make this one of our best years. So I'm done yapping. Peace out.